Hi guys, this is Giovanni from Store 78 IMP Tampa, Florida, and today I want to show off Excel and how we can use the Surface and the Surface Pen to gain more insights. So come on over here so I can show you some cool things. Right now we are inside of Take a Tour, and I've gone into number 3, which is Chart, and we're going to do something really basic, which is selecting everything and using this to get some insights. Now this you guys might be familiar with. I'm going to color scale it. Now what this does is give us a great variation in terms of what value is highest and what value is lowest. We want to gain a little bit more insights to it. In order to do that, we're going to have to use our pen and our surface together. So I'm actually going to take my type cover off for this, and I'm just going to use the Surface Pen. So here, I want to be able to make sense of these things. Revenue to me is great, that's a green, we're going to definitely highlight that. Cost of revenue is something that we all got to deal with, but it is a negative, so I'm going to put that in this pink. And then lastly, our gross profit, that's our main number, that's going to be our blue. Now in my head, this all makes sense in terms of a formula, so I'm going to write that out up here at the top. Put R minus C is equal to GP. That's what makes sense in my head. Lastly, I want to be able to circle this 186 because that's our gross profit, and that's a really important number. So I'm going to go back into Draw, select my blue color, and I'm going to hit Ink to Shape, and I'm going to circle this number. Really cool thing about that, it automatically circles it for me in a nice, beautiful format instead of my sloppy handwriting. Cool. Lastly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that I draw my arrow from my formula into my last number because that's what makes most sense to me. This one's gonna give me that insight. So now I'm gonna draw my arrow. And there you have a straight line arrow for you from the Ink to Shape tool. Lastly, we're actually gonna use our dial here. When you press and hold down, the last option that pops up is actually Ink Replay. And this is going to be great when you're going back and trying to review the material, because now you can actually see step by step what it is that you did inside of here. So if you have any troubles remembering the steps that you took, you can actually go through Ink Replay, and it'll all make sense because it's the stuff that you already put in there. That is the end of my Excel demo. I hope that you guys were able to show this off to your customers and position the benefits of Surface and gaining your own insights, not just the ones that Excel is able to give you. Have a great day, guys.